Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Makeup by Ulka here. So today we're gonna do a Makar Sankranti look. So let's get started. Hi, so we're gonna start with our skincare as usual because I never start with my skincare without my skincare. So we're gonna go with the M.A.C Mineralize Charged Water Moisture Gel. Oh my god, it's a very big mouthful name. So we're gonna start with that and massaging nicely into the skin. And this product is just amazing if you are a dry skin or an oily skin girl like me. This is your best friend. So now we're gonna go with the MAC Prep Plus Prime Skin Refined Zone. This is actually a treatment for your pores, and this is my first ever time using it. It's a new product and I'm trying it out. So disclaimer, let me tell you, in this tutorial I'm going to use a lot of new products, so I'm going to make sure to tell you, I'll be telling you that this is a new product. So now I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera with this pack brow gel, and now I'm gonna apply the new iconic London illuminator in the shade blush and my favorite ever foundation from Dior. That's the Face and Body Backstage foundation, and I'm in the shade 2W. It's a really nice everyday foundation and it's very lightweight, and I really like it, you all. So, and I'm gonna use to apply this today, I'm gonna use my Morphe M439 brush, which is my all-time favorite buffer brush from the James Charles collection of Morphe, which I've told you before. If you have not seen my Morphe brushes review, do check it out after watching this video. So you guys, this makeup is like you can say it's a very easy everyday kind of look, and you can also wear it for Makar Sankranti as I am wearing it for the Haldi Kumkum and all that. And also you can wear it for if you're attending a wedding or something, you can wear it because this is a really nice illuminating look here that I'm creating. And for me being a bit more extra, I'm gonna go with my Makeup Forever HD Stick Foundation, and I'm gonna list down the shade on the screen maybe, or maybe in the description box. I really like this one because this is a lot more full coverage than the Dior Face and Body, because Dior Face and Body just gives you like a light to medium coverage. If you kind of build it, it's gonna give you a medium coverage. But this one here, this is my all-time favorite foundation because your girl is a oily skin girl and she needs a lot of coverage and something to control her oil. So I really like this foundation and I'm nicely gonna buff it into the skin. Mostly I'm doing a stippling motion today. So now I'm gonna go with the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Sculpt Concealer in the shade Porcelain. And yes, this is my highlighting shade, and I'm just gonna highlight the high points of my face here, as you can see. And then going with my Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer in the shade Cookie Dove. This is my skin tone shade, and I'm just gonna buff all the product with the Morphe M173 brush, which is a very tiny little buffer brush and a small version of the previous brush, which was the M439. This is a really nice brush to buff out around the mouth and around the nose and also under the eyes, where your sponges and where your big brushes cannot reach. This is a really nice brush to concentrate the product. And again, going in with my foundation brush and buffing everything out and making it look seamlessly. So So what do you guys think so far? How do you guys like the base? Do you guys like it? Are you gonna do this? Gonna try this out? And if you do try this out, look, do let me know in the comments down below, and do tag me on Instagram, and I'll be more than glad to see you all recreate my look. So yeah, I'm just buffing out all the edges of the concealer. And this brush is so versatile and so nice that the both foundation that I used are very hard to blend out, and this is just doing the job so seamlessly. I really like it, and it's not like tugging my eyes or doing any side sort of stuff. And there are no brush tricks on my face, as you can see. I really like this brush. And if you guys haven't watched my Morphe James Charles brush collection, and this is the brush I'm using from that collection, so do check that out. They are really nice brushes for beginners as well as pro MUAs like me. It's a really useful brush collection, and so far I'm really liking it. So I'm just taking my time in blending the product, as you can see. And now we're gonna go with my all-time favorite NARS liquid blush in Orgasm, and just dotting the product on my skin like so, and blending out the edges with the I guess this is the Morphe E9 brush. I'm not quite sure. All the brush description and the brush details are gonna be given in the description box, so do check it out. And maybe I'm gonna show it on the screen as well, but I'm not really sure. So this brush is really nice. It just blends out the cream product and liquid products like a dream. Now I'm gonna go with my new Morphe palette, which is the Ofra palette, which is it's in soul palette. It's a soul palette, and I'm going with the shade Banana Powder under the eyes, setting the concealer out and setting everywhere where I have applied the concealer. I'm not gonna go all over the face. And now I'm gonna go with this pretty pink blush, and you can see it right away that it has a lot of color to it. It's highly pigmented, you all, so little bit will go a long way, but it's blending so well, as you can see. So this blush is B29. Ooh, can you see that? Love it. So I'm going with this bronzer shade in Raisin and just bronzing up my face. Oh my god, straight off the back, I'm loving it. But now I'm going with a bigger brush. All the brushes details will be given below, and I guess this is the Morphe powder brush, which I love to apply the bronzer products, which I've mentioned before. I like this brush to apply bronzers. Look at that. It's just amazing. I don't have words, you all. What do you guys think? Now I'm just gonna go with my all-time favorite pack brush, which I was mentioning it in my previous brush review, that I love the most for nose contouring. This is the pack 168. It has a sharp angle to it, and it's very nice. You can see it that it's very nice to contour the nose. And the contour shade that I'm using is the Bark and French Mocha shade from the same palette, which are like their eyebrow shades, but you can use them as a eyeshadow as well and as a contour shade as well. It's a really nice versatile product. So it's kind of like a one palette tutorial here, because I'm gonna use the same palette to apply eyeshadow as well. So now what I'm doing here, I'm going with the same brush and using that banana powder to highlight my bridge of the nose and sides of the nose, just to blend out the product. And my all-time favorite, I'm super duper excited for this highlighter here, which is the Ofra All of the Lights highlighter, and straight off the back, can you see that glow? Oh my god, you all, can you just see that? Oh my god, it's so amazing. Love it, love it. I really like these highlighters, and you are getting 3 highlighters in this palette. One is the All of the Lights highlighter that I'm using, one is the Soho highlighter, and the other one is the Sahara Dawn highlighter, which is the newest one. And straight off the back, I'm just liking it, you all. I'm just leaving. I just love applying highlighter, as you all know. And I'm just highlighting all the high points of the face and bridge of the nose, cupid's bow and chin. I'm just glowing, you all. What do you guys think? Ofra highlighters are just amazing. But wait a sec, I'm gonna go with my Fix Plus in Gold Lit. This is from MAC, and just spritzing my face. This is illuminating Fix Plus. And I'm going again with the same All of the Lights highlighter with my Morphe highlighter brush, and you can see it, like the magic that happened after applying the setting spray, and on top of that you apply that. Oh my god. So now I'm going with the All of the Lights highlighter and picking up the shade, I don't know the name, the white one and the pink shade. So first I'm applying the white shade with the help of my Morphe M433 brush, and then applying the pink shade with the same brush, and then I'm going with that blush shade, which is B29, on the eyes, on the outer corner, and just creating like a very soft smoky-ish. And this is like that everyday kind of eye look, and it's very easy. While I was creating it, hardly took me a few seconds to create this. It's really easy, and here you just need to blend out all the edges and then you're good to go. So I'm just blending out all the edges of the highlighters and that pink color. And now I'm going in with the very detailed blender brush, which is M506 from Morphe, and just giving it like a shape to it, just creating that shape. And then I'm going in with the shader brush, which is the Morphe M152, and just going in with all the colors again, which is the highlighter shades. I'm going again, and now I'm going with the Huda Beauty lip liner, which I don't know the name, but I'm gonna list it in the description box. And again going with that lip liner on the waterline as well, just just to enhance my eyes. And I'm going with the banana powder on, just to highlight my brow bone, because I want everything to be matte. Now I'm going with the Kiko Milano lip liner. I just love this shade. You're gonna see how I am outlining my lips. I like to outline my lips with a lighter lip liner, and this is going so well. The lips are going so well with the eyes. It's just complementing the eyes, and I thought of keeping everything pink, so the look is in that pink family. I don't know how to explain. So I'm nicely lining my lips and filling it ever so slightly. And then I'm going with my Lancome liquid lipstick, and the shades will be listed down below. And this is how the applicator is. It's like a sponge applicator, which not everyone will be fan of, but I really like it. It has a lot of control to it while I was applying. So this is how I am applying my lipstick, and I really like this darker tone lipstick and the lighter tone lip liner. It just, it just complements the eyes. Overall, I just love this look. And again, I'm going with the lip liner and just defining my lips again, ever so slightly, to give that fuller lips effect. Same like Kylie Jenner's. And now this is the final look that we have created, and I have applied the bindi as well to give that, like an element of Indian look. It just completes my makeup and attire and everything. Also, make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.